With EdPlus, you can generate personalized mark sheets in just minutes. If you're tired of the manual process of creating mark sheets, EdPlus AI is here to transform your entire reporting workflow, making it faster, easier, and more efficient. EdPlus is India's first AI manager, and it starts with a user-friendly login process. Simply enter your registered email and password, fill in the CAPTCHA, and you're ready to go. The login screen is designed to be intuitive, ensuring that you can access your account quickly and securely. Once you've logged in, you'll land on the home dashboard. Here, you'll see a variety of modules and features available on the left side of your screen. For generating mark sheets, you'll want to click on the fifth option in the menu, labeled Academic. This will take you to the section where you can manage all academic-related tasks. In the Academic section, look for the Examination area. Here, you'll find the Mark Sheet Print option, which is the second tab from the right. This is where you'll be able to access all the tools needed to generate and print mark sheets for your students. Next, open the Mark Sheet Setup page. Here, you'll need to select the relevant stream, section, and setting for the mark sheets you want to generate. Once you've made your selections, click Search to load the necessary data and proceed with the setup. Now, go to Academics, then Marksheet Print, and select Marksheet Settings. Enter the new marksheet name, click Verify, and then Apply. After that, you can scroll down to find the Marksheet Settings section, where you can customize the layout and details of your marksheet. All the options for personalizing the marksheet will appear here, allowing you to tailor the output to your specific needs. On this screen, you can see the Marksheet Setup window. To begin customizing your marksheet, you need to click on the Marksheet Setting button, which will open up the configuration options for your selected marksheet. This is where you can manage and personalize the settings for each marksheet template according to your institution's requirements. Next, you'll be able to customize the marksheet starting with the Header section. Here, you can choose the design and decide which school information to display, such as the school name, logo, address, and registration or affiliation numbers. This allows you to ensure that the marksheet reflects your institution's branding and compliance needs. Moving on to the Student Details tab, you have the flexibility to include or exclude specific student information. This can cover the student's name, roll number, parents' names, class and attendance, among other details. Once you've made your selections, you can save and proceed to the next step, ensuring that only the relevant student data appears on the marksheet. In the Marks Table section, you can select how the marks are displayed. You have options to show obtained or total marks, combine exam marks, and choose between different grading systems or marks-based results. You can also add footer details such as the grand total, grade, percentage, and any excluded subjects, giving you full control over the marksheet's layout and content. The Result Data tab allows you to display supplementary exam information, add teacher or principal signatures and remarks, and show additional details like total students, attendance, overall grade, and class rank. You can also enter the result declaration date here, making it easy to provide a comprehensive summary of each student's performance. Finally, in the Developer Mode section, you have access to special settings for advanced customization. This includes options for custom codes, test case formatting, such as uppercase, lowercase, or sentence case, as well as adding watermarks and adjusting grade weightage. These features are especially useful for institutions that require unique or highly specific marksheet formats. On this page, you can see a sample of a customized marksheet generated using the Marksheet Setup window. At the top, the school's name and logo are prominently displayed, which is part of the header customization we discussed earlier. Below that, you'll notice the academic session and class details, along with the student's personal information such as SR number, roll number, name, father's and mother's names, date of birth, and contact information. This section is configured through the Student Details tab, where you can choose which fields to include or exclude based on your institution's requirements. Moving down, the marks table is shown, listing subjects, marks obtained in different exams, and the overall totals. This layout and the way marks are displayed can be adjusted in the Marks Table section of the setup. At the bottom, you'll find the percentage, attendance, division, and result status, as well as a footer area that can include additional notes or instructions. In this example, there is also a step-by-step guide for the marksheet printing process, which can be added in the result data or footer section for user reference. This sample demonstrates how the various customization options come together to create a professional and institution-specific marksheet.